Hello, this is Professor Ellen Genovese. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to complete APR lab assignments. In Blackboard, go to the main lessons page. Here, select the Lab Assignments and Lab Practical Exams folder. Let's begin with Unit 1. In Lab Unit 1, you will see a deadline when all of the assignments are to be completed. This also serves as a deadline for the lab practical exam. You'll see an overview of the unit, which tells you what you should be completing week by week. Something that's very important is the APR master structure list. You will find a master structure list for each of the 3 units that we're going to cover. Select the structure list. This is something that is very important that you're going to want to print out or download. This serves as a list of all the structures that can be covered on each of the lab practical exams. This serves as a great reference point as well as a checklist. Once you have printed out your APR master structure list, let's go to Module 1, Chapter 1. This is your first assignment to be completed. Inside this folder, you'll see several items listed. The best thing to do is to initially launch the Anatomy and Physiology Revealed program. You're going to need to log in to use Anatomy and Physiology Revealed. Use the same credentials that you used for your Connect account. Once you enter into the program the first time, you're going to want to add our custom code, which is K3VP2. What this does is it customizes all the structures within the program to give you a list of just the structures that we are covering. For example, in the cardiovascular system, there's over 800 structures that are found within this program. We're not going to cover that many, so you want to be able to just look at a customized list to prevent confusion. Once you've launched the Anatomy and Physiology Revealed program, you have a couple choices. If you would like, you could print out a paper copy of the questions that you're going to be answering. You can use this later on to help you study for the lab practical exam. When you're ready to begin the assignment, select Module 1, Chapter 1, APR Online Lab Assignment. Here is your APR assignment. Notice that this assignment can be saved and resumed later. It's a really good idea to save each of your questions as you go along. You can always go back and change your answers. But that way, if your internet connection is interrupted, or you have to leave to go to class, or you need to complete another assignment, your answers will still be there. Let's look at the first question. Notice that it says View, Dissection, Topic, Planes of Section. This refers to specific areas found in the APR program. Go back to the APR program. This week our assignment is in Module 1. You'll find a drop-down menu that indicates the different modules contained within the program.
Notice that under Module 1 you have several options. You can select the scalpel to look at dissections. The arrow indicates animations. There's also a check which gives you a self-quiz. Some of the modules also include an icon for a microscope. That is where we will study histology.
Here's where you'll select a specific topic. Notice that the topics that we are viewing are under My Course Content. If you would like, you could select all content, and that shows you all of the structures that are contained within this program under Body Orientation in Module 1. Again, the best idea is to just concentrate on the structures that we're going to be studying in this course. Notice from your first question, it said to select planes of section. Here you will find a list of all the planes of section as indicated on your APR master structure list. Notice that the first question asks you which plane of section passes through the body at an angle. The answer is the oblique plane. Make sure that you can identify all the planes that are indicated in this topic. You may not necessarily have questions on each one, but you are responsible for all of them for your lab practical exam.
Be sure to select the yellow Structure Information tab for all of the structures found on your APR master structure list.
The most important word of advice we have for you is do not use Google. Yes, you can Google many of the APR questions and get the correct answers and do well on your APR lab assignments. However, this does not adequately prepare you for the lab exam. Also beware of Quizlets that are generated by other students. They are not vetted and often are not accurate. In addition, your answers should all be structures that are listed on your APR master structure list. If you list muscles or other structures that we are not studying this semester, you will not receive credit for those responses. Thank you for your time and good luck.